I have a running trade on US 30 doing G. I'm very pained that I meet JPY, but it's all good, right? My psychology is kind of messed up, but a little bit. I'm just going to go watch a movie now. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy 21FX. So this is my YouTube channel and it's a new channel, right? We'll be talking about day in the life of a forex trader, trade recaps, posting our trade setups and analyzing the chart with you. I am an SMC trader and I've been trading for 2 years now. If you are an SMC trader, indicate in the comment section right now. So today is Sunday and you know market is opening tomorrow. So I'll be looking at some pairs, like 5 pairs I think, or 4, and see how will it be. Wishing you guys a profitable week ahead. Let's dive in. Okay, for the first trade here, right, is Nasdaq, also known as US 30. As you can see on the 30-minute time frame, this pair is bullish. If I want to start making my analysis, as at this point, the market came up, made a pullback, went up, break structure, then came back and take out this low. Seeing this, I already know this liquidity sweep here is signifying this low is a protected one, right? Then what we have next is a bullish breakup structure to the upside. Then the most crucial part is the liquidity. Before this market broke structure at this point, it made this little pullback, then went back up. There are some traders who will be willing to take a buy from this point. As an SMC trader who understands the concept of liquidity, you know that this point is here. Then our POI, our point of interest, where we'll be like willing to take this trade, is from this point, bro. It is as simple as that. Analyzing this pair, it was not even up to 5 minutes I finished analyzing this pair. My stop loss cannot be below this point. Then my TP will be at the swing high. This is what I'm seeing on US 30. Sweep of liquidity here. It went back up, break structure. This pullback here is inducement of liquidity, and here is like an order block we would like to take the trade from, and there is an imbalance here, which adds more conflicts to this. Okay guys, this is GG on the 1 hour time frame. At this point, market was creating a series of lower highs and lower lows here, right? Okay, so seeing this, there were like a bunch of like supply zone here which the market was reacting from. This one here, then another one here which is sold from, then another one here. Yeah, as you can see, this particular live one, I took a sell and my TP was around this point. So on a norms, what will the market do after getting to like these points here. So it's meant to sell since it has been creating bearish breakup structures, but market took it out. This particular side, the market took it out. So this is an order block, and when an order block failed, it turns into breaker block, right? To those who know what I mean, it turns into a breaker block. So for this GJ, we are having a breaker block setup at this point. This was the order block that failed. I will mark it out. Then the first pullback it makes is my inducement, which is this was the first pullback it made. It's my inducement. Then I'll be taking a buy from these points. I'll be holding to the next swing high. Looking at this now, it has triggered, but I haven't entered this trade. The reason is that I'm not taking it from the wick, it's from the body here. Let me use like a horizontal line so you can see it properly. As you can see, I haven't been tagged in on this trade. Maybe I will miss this trade. Alright guys, this is where my entry is, but I don't know, the market has started moving up, but it's coming back, so and I'll update you guys later. The entry model is like this first pullback it makes is the inducement. Then at the failed order block, that's where you'll be taking your trade from. Okay, this is like the trade I'll be taking for this week. At this point here, there was a liquidity sweep here. Market took out this high, which is at our POI. Like, this is one of my rules. I have to see like the liquidity sweep. Whenever I'm taking a trade from the POI, I will always make sure that there's a liquidity grab, then break of structure before I take that trade. If I'm not seeing that, I consider that setup low probability, then break of structure. I trade SLP, which is structures, liquidity, and POI. For my market structure, I know that the trend is bearish, and I have a bearish break of structure here. What I have next is like trying to identify where the liquidity is, where like some traders who don't know what liquidity is will start taking their trade from. You as an SMC trader, you know, seeing this point, you know is inducement. Then where I'll be taking my trade from, which is my POI, will be from this top here, something like this supply zone. I will mark everything here. That's where I'll be selling it off. Guys, I'll give you a trade recap of the after of whatever happens. If we hit TP, we hit TP. If it's an SL, I'll share everything with you guys. I'll be taking a sell from like the 50%. Yeah. Then I think I have one more pair. I think so. Looking at all, especially like the one of Nasdaq and this USD card, it wasn't even up to like 40 seconds or 30 seconds. I finished analyzing this chart. Don't try making things hard for you by learning hard strategies, filling your charts with indicators, different kind of line, drawing lines here, bro. That shit is boring, and if you continue doing that, you can't make money in 2025, bro, trading forex. This is CHF JPY and the 30-minute time frame, and I am intending to short this pair. First of all, I have my liquidity sweep at this point, right? Then if you check on the higher time frame, like on 4 hour, you see it's reacting from a key level. Then I have this bearish breakup structure, this internal breakup structure here. Knowing my market structure, This pair is bearish. Then as an MC trader, you always work with liquidity. Liquidity is your eyes, bro. Every trade you take, watch out for liquidity. If not, you most likely be the liquidity. At this point here, here is my structural liquidity. In my trade at this point, with my SL. No, I can't be doing SL like this. My SL is above here, something like this. This is a quick 1:6 RR trade. Let's be watching out, guys. Peace. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed these are like few setups, but I don't want to make the video longer because I have another setup on Euro USD and NZD USD. Please guys, do well to subscribe, like, comment, share, and do everything. And if you want us to connect, maybe like share ideas or maybe learn from me and stuff like that, you can comment and I will be dropping some of my handles where you can reach me out and we can chat. Peace out guys. Thanks.